Hello and welcome. Now you guys are already aware about internal load balancer, and now it's time to talk about external load balancer. It's really very interesting. We are going to perform lab for this as well. So let's start external load balancer right now. As always, we are going to start with introduction. First of all, why we called it external load balancer? It is called external because it operates outside the Docker swarm or cluster, managing traffic between your Docker environment. You know, internal load balancers are actually part of swarm facility. We do not need to use any third-party tools. Here, when we are using external load balancer, we are actually using third-party tools, and basically it is not related to the Docker ecosystem only. An external load balancer in Docker distributing incoming network traffic across multiple Docker containers running on the different server and cluster. Now, I have this particular picture. I want you to look at this picture, and here I have two different Docker swarm cluster. Here I have swarm cluster 1 and swarm cluster 2. I have one identical app which is running inside all Docker swarm cluster node. So app 1 is running inside swarm cluster 1 and it is also running into the swarm cluster 2 as well. Now I want load balancer which can load balance traffic among all these 4 containers, even though they are actually from totally different swarm cluster. In this case, I have to use external load balancer. Here, if you have this swarm cluster running into the one region and another swarm cluster is running into the different region, you can also use load balancer to load balance traffic among them, which is actually best suitable for high availability. So this is like one of the best advantage of using external load balancer. This ensures high availability and performance by directing traffic to healthy containers and adjusting to the changes in load. If we are talking about external load balancer, we are actually using third-party load balancers, right? So we have two options here. One, we call it traditional load balancers, and the first one is always nginx. nginx is the most popular load balancer, even though before Docker. So here we are going to use same nginx functionality here to use as an external load balancer. Then there is another one known as Terrific and haproxy. Now you can use any one of them, each one having some of advantages and some of disadvantages. If I am talking about nginx, it is actually widely used and it is always known for its scalability. As we are in cloud era, so if you want to use cloud-based load balancer, you can use Elastic Load Balancer, Amazon Elastic Load Balancer, Azure Load Balancer, and Google Cloud Load Balancer as well. So as an external load balancer, you can take advantage of cloud-based load balancer, or if you want to set up your own, you can set up this. I hope you got complete understanding about external load balancer, but you may have some confusion between internal and external load balancer. We want to go with the zero confusion. So in the next video, we will discuss about internal load balancer versus external load balancer. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.